Join me as I take on the challenge of creating a $10,000 a month marketing strategy from scratch. Let's see if I can actually pull it off. Creating a $10,000 a month marketing strategy may seem like a lofty goal, but I truly believe it's achievable for anyone willing to put in the effort and follow the right steps. You know, I've seen so many people struggle to create a successful marketing strategy, and it's usually because they're lacking direction or they don't really understand their target audience. They're just throwing spaghetti at the wall, seeing what sticks, and hoping for the best. But that's not a strategy, that's just winging it. And when you're winging it, you're not going to get consistent results, you're not going to build trust with your audience, and you're certainly not going to reach that $10,000 a month mark. Another common challenge people face is they get distracted by all the shiny new objects out there. They're always chasing the latest marketing trend, the latest social media platform, or the latest tactic that's supposed to be the magic bullet. But the truth is, there is no magic bullet. There's no one-size-fits-all solution that's going to work for everyone. What works for one person or one business isn't going to work for another. And then there are those who are just paralyzed by analysis. They're so afraid of making a mistake that they don't take any action at all. They're stuck in research mode, constantly consuming information but never actually implementing it. And as a result, they never get any momentum, they never get any traction, and they never reach their goals. So, how do you overcome these challenges? How do you create a successful marketing strategy that generates real results and drives real revenue? First and foremost, you need to start with market research. You need to understand your target audience, their pain points, their desires, and their motivations. You need to understand what drives them, what keeps them up at night, and what gets them excited. And you need to use that information to create customer personas that will guide your marketing efforts. Recommended book: Blue Ocean Strategy by W. Chan Kim. Next, you need to choose the right marketing channels. You need to figure out where your target audience is hanging out, what platforms they're using, and what types of content they're consuming. Are they on Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn? Are they reading blog posts, watching videos, or listening to podcasts? You need to be where they are, and you need to be speaking their language. Recommended resources: HubSpot Academy's Inbound Marketing Course. Content Chemistry by Andy Crestodina. Once you've identified your target audience and your marketing channels, you need to create a messaging framework that resonates with them. You need to develop a unique value proposition that sets you apart from the competition and speaks directly to their needs and desires. And you need to be consistent in your messaging so that you're building trust and building momentum. Recommended book: Influence: The Psychology of Persuasion by Robert Cialdini. Now, let's talk about the step-by-step framework that you can follow to start building your own $10,000 a month marketing strategy. Step number 1 is to identify your target audience and create those customer personas. Step number 2 is to choose the right marketing channels and start creating content that resonates with your audience. Step number 3 is to develop a lead magnet that captures people's attention and gets them to take action. Step number 4 is to create a tripwire offer that gives people a taste of what you can do and gets them to buy from you. And step number 5 is to create a core offer that provides real value and generates real revenue. By following this framework, you can start building a marketing strategy that drives real results and drives real revenue. You can start building a business that generates $10,000 a month, and you can start achieving your goals. So, let's recap the main points we've covered today. We've talked about the common challenges people face when trying to create a successful marketing strategy, and we've outlined the key components of a strategy that actually works. We've also given you a step-by-step framework that you can follow to start building your own $10,000 a month marketing strategy. If you're struggling with your marketing strategy and you're not sure where to start, I want to encourage you to take action. Start by identifying your target audience and creating those customer personas. Start by choosing the right marketing channels and creating content that resonates with your audience. And start by developing a messaging framework that speaks directly to their needs and desires. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below about your biggest marketing challenges. What are you struggling with right now, and how can I help? Also, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more tips and strategies that can help you achieve your business goals.